Even though it is shorts, but it's warm. And it's so fluffy. Look at that. It is so soft. Hi guys, how are you doing? It's Chris. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing another Shein try on haul. But this time, I didn't buy so much stuff. I just got 8 items because I just wanna try the Shein premium brand, which is Motf. I just want to try the quality of their product. So I ordered just 3 items from them and a lounge set, and some stuff is for makeup organizer. So without any further ado, let's open the bag because I didn't open it yet. So let's see. So see ya. This is the bag from Shein. It's not so, but it seems like big, right? It seems like I got a lot of stuff inside. It's just kind of bulky. So let's see. I'm gonna open it now. Okay, that's all. I already put out everything. And let's start with this thing, which is for my makeup. I got this one. It is a makeup brush drying rack. It has 26 holes in it, and I don't know, I saw the review. It has a good review. So let's see how it is. Oh, it's like that. They cover it with a sticker, so I probably need to peel it off. So I will just do it later so that I can put my makeup brush, dry it here, not on the towel. So I will get a brush and try it. This, yeah, it's really secure. The brush is secure here. I can try a lot of brushes because it has 26 holes in it. So I can try everything in it. Look at that. The next thing that I got is this one. It's a beauty blender. It's a makeup sponge. I want to try also the Shein makeup sponge because I am using this a lot. And it's kind of expensive also here in Israel. You see, from Shein it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 sponge for only 9 shekel, but here in Israel one piece of this is for 11 shekel. So you see how much I save from Shein, but I think the quality is just the same. And look at the color, it's pastel, mauve pastel. So cute, isn't it? The other stuff is this one, this makeup bag, because when I am traveling, I am bringing a lot of stuff with me, my skincare and makeup. So when I am traveling, I always bring my cabinet, my closet. So let's see how big it is. All my stuff will go inside. It's cute, and the quality is wow, the quality is really good. I should buy another one in black color. And it's also the zipper is handle is cute. So all my makeup stuff will fit here, I think. And now let's move on to the premium brand of Shein. I just ordered the Spandex yoga top with a thumb hole. So let's see. These are what I got from Motf, curated effortless chic. This thing, I ordered just one style but in different color. I ordered 3 of them, and let's find out how it looks like. It's the quality, and look at the packaging. They have this also wrap, the paper wrap inside, and wow. Oh, they have this also, like a card. Yeah, their brand is really premium. Look at that. Wow, the quality. And I got this only for 49 shekel. One of each of the blouse. And look at the quality. Oh, it's really good. The quality is really good. Wow, I'm so glad that I bought it. Look at that. And it also have this tag, not like the other brand, but look at the quality. Oh, it's really nice. I'm gonna try it later, but let's open everything in different color. And the next color is this one, the white one. Yeah, wow, I wanna order 6 of them. Look at that. I'm so happy that I ordered it, that I tried it. I'm really happy. I think I should buy dresses from Motf as well. They have a very good quality product. Look, this one is the other color. It's like a moss green. Oh, I love the 3 of them. So cute. Look. And I want to try it now. Later. I want to try it later because I am not wearing a short. I'm wearing a dress. So I will try it with the shorts from the lounge set. And the next thing is these two. It is a flannel tank top and shorts. It is for winter. So let's see inside. It's very thin, but maybe it's warm. It's warm enough. I got the size of these are small, and also the blouses from Motf. But this one, it doesn't have any tag. Only here there's a tag. Yeah. It's not bad. It's okay. It's like a disposable lounge set that you can. But we have only short winter, so I can just wear it for a short period of. The color of this is so cute. It's like it's mauve color. It's really cute. So I wanna try this on, and then let's see how it's look on me. Even though it is shorts, but it's warm and it's so fluffy. Look at that. It is so soft. So I think this color suited me. So let's try the other color. This is the other color. It's also nice. And it's just the same style, just in different color. The next thing that I'm gonna try is the blouses from Motf. Let's see how the fitting of it on me. I ordered a small size, so let's find out how it's look on me. So it's just exactly on me. Yeah. It's really nice. I think the quality is really nice. Wow, I'm so glad that I tried it. If they have a different color, I'm also wanna order more. But the only available color are these three. So it's not bad. The only thing that I don't like is it is not a close neck. It is just a round neck. So this is really nice. The color are really nice. Then I want to try this color. At first it's kind of tight. When you are wearing it, it's really tight. But I cannot order bigger than this because it will be loose over here and this part. It's just tight in my arm because I have fatter bicep. I need to lose it. Oh, it's kinda twisted. If I wear it on my thumb, it's twisted. But I can also just wear it like that. Yeah. But it's kinda long. I can just do it like that without using the thumb hole. But it's really nice. They have a really good quality product. It's like Adidas. It's like Nike or Adidas quality. It's really nice. Wow. And then the next color is this white. I'm gonna try every color. Look at that. I still have a bit fat to lose here. Yeah, I need to do more on my arm. I've been doing Pilates for 2 years already, so maybe my body will improve more after some years on Pilates. So let's see. So, but overall, I love everything that I got today from Shein. I am very satisfied. And there's another thing that I got yesterday, but I just bought it here in Israel. This is the clothes rack organizer, like that, so that if I am doing try on haul, I can just hang it over here and then I will just pick it up like some vlogger do. So I'm glad that I saw it from the store yesterday while picking up my package. It's really nice. I'm gonna assemble it today maybe or tomorrow. And that's it for today. Thank you so much and I hope you enjoyed this video. But before I end my vlog, I want to thank every one of you, to all my viewers, my subscriber, and all my supporters. Thank you so much, and especially to all my members. Thank you so much. I want to shout out every one of you. Joyce Vargas Vlog, Killer Smile 531, Sunny Kumar, Tisay London, Miss Banana, Mira and MJ, Ensong, Ayan Ewata, Jerry Jamela, Vlog Edge TV, and Benayob's Fun Vlog. Thank you so much everyone, and I really appreciate every one of you for your support. Thank you so much, and I hope that you will never get tired of supporting me and supporting my video. And to those who are not yet my subscriber, please do subscribe to my channel, like and watch my video and also my upcoming videos. So I guess I will see you again on my next vlog. I love you all and kisses. See ya.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.